Hello friends, this is Rajul Sudhar, Assistant Professor of Sri Swaminarayan Institute of Technology, BART, Gandhinagar. Today we will discuss about the Bluetooth. Chapter 5 in GTU syllabus. There are 10% weightage of this chapter. So let we start about the Bluetooth. Bluetooth क्या है? सबने Bluetooth का नाम तो सुना ही है. वर्तमान समय में इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिवाइस को आपस में एक दूसरे से कनेक्ट करने के लिए हम ब्लूटूथ का यूज़ करते हैं. सो ब्लूटूथ एक क्या है, मीडियम है. देन उसके अलावा भी हम शेयरिट, जेंडर जैसे कई सारे एप्लीकेशन को भी हम यूज़ करते हैं. और जो ब्लूटूथ है वो मोस्ट ऑफ डिवाइस हैंडसेट में इनबिल्ट कवर होता है. ब्लूटूथ केवल फाइल शेयरिंग के लिए ही उपयोगी है ऐसा नहीं है. यह भविष्य की तकनीक IoT का आधार भी है. इसलिए ब्लूटूथ की उपयोगिता कम नहीं हुई बल्कि बढ़ रही है. इसलिए ब्लूटूथ के बारे में जानना ज़रूरी है. ब्लूटूथ शॉर्ट रेंज वायरलेस टेक्निक से काम करता है जिसका उपयोग अधिक ब्लूटूथ डिवाइस को एक दूसरे से कम्युनिकेट करने के लिए किया जाता है. ब्लूटूथ टेक्निक सन 1994 में विकसित की गई थी और 1997 में जिम कॉर्डेट के विचार पर ब्लूटूथ का नामकरण किया गया था. इसके द्वारा लगभग 10 मीटर यानी कि 30 फीट के दायरे में वायरलेस कम्युनिकेशन स्थापित किया जा सकता है, जिसके द्वारा आप मोबाइल फ़ोन से कंप्यूटर, मोबाइल से मोबाइल तथा इसी तरह अन्य डिवाइस में डेटा का आदान प्रदान यानी कि शेयरिंग कर सकते हो. और इसे पास वाले कमरे में भी रखे गए प्रिंटर को एक्सेस करना हो अगर और प्रिंट निकालनी हो तो आप निकाल सकते हो. देन ब्लूटूथ जो है वो रेडियो वेव द्वारा काम करता है. जिसके एक छोटे नेटवर्क का निर्माण होता है रेडियो वेव से. अब ये डिवाइस इस नेटवर्क के दायरे में रहकर आपस में कम्युनिकेशन कर सकता है. ब्लूटूथ टेक्नोलॉजी को ब्लूटूथ स्पेशल इंटरसेट ग्रुप द्वारा विकसित किया गया था. ये ग्रुप संचालन एवं सुधार मीन्स उसमें कोई चेंजेस करना हो तो वो ये ग्रुप कवर करता है. ब्लूटूथ SIG स्पेशल इंटरसेट ग्रुप. इसके बारे में डिटेल में हम जानते हैं. टॉपिक में जो कवर चैप्टर 5 में जो कवर हो रहा है वो टॉपिक इस प्रकार है. फर्स्ट वन उसकी हिस्ट्री देखेंगे. देन व्हाट इज़ ब्लूटूथ, ब्लूटूथ क्या है वो देखेंगे. देन प्रोटोकॉल आर्किटेक्चर के बारे में. देन रेडियो स्पेसिफिकेशन, बेसबैंड स्पेसिफिकेशन, लिंक मैनेजर स्पेसिफिकेशन क्या है वो समझेंगे. लॉजिकल लिंक कंट्रोल एंड एडेप्टेशन प्रोटोकॉल, ये पूरा पार्ट प्रोटोकॉल आर्किटेक्चर का ही है. देन पिकोनेट एंड स्केटरनेट क्या है वो इस वीडियो लेक्चर में कवर करेंगे. ब्लूटूथ लिंक सिक्योरिटी, लास्ट में हम क्या देखेंगे उसकी सिक्योरिटी के बारे में. सो लेट वी स्टार्ट अबाउट ब्लूटूथ एंड इट्स हिस्ट्री. In 1993, a wireless communication engineer over at Ericsson named Jaap Hartsen defined the standard for personal area network to enable the communication between mobile phone using the low power and low cost radio interface. Means this radio device is using the low power as well as low cost radio interface. In May 1988, companies such as IBM, Intel, Nokia and Toshiba joined the Ericsson to the form of the Bluetooth Special Interest Group SIG, whose aim was to develop the de facto standard for the personal area networks. Bluetooth base standard IEEE 802.15.1 for wireless personal area network. So here the standard use is 802 2.15.1 that cover the MAC and physical layer application. Bluetooth technology bring together the broad range of device across many industries through the unifying the communication standard. Bluetooth is a short-range wireless communication technology that allow devices such as a mobile phone, computer, peripheral to transmit the data or voice wirelessly over a short distance. The purpose of Bluetooth is to replace the cable that normally connect to the device while still keeping the communication between the secure. For example, we are using the mobile. In mobile, we are using the Bluetooth headset, laptop, camera, each and everywhere we are using the Bluetooth. So, what is a Bluetooth? कैसे वर्क करता है? So, Bluetooth is a standardized protocol for sending and receiving data via 2.4 GHz wireless link. Bluetooth is a secure protocol, short range, low power, low cost wireless transmission between the other device. Bluetooth work on the radio frequency for communication. It make the use of frequency modulation to generate the radio wave in ISM band. So ISM band is a industrial, scientific and medical band. These are the application where we use the Bluetooth device like DVD player, Bluetooth stereo speaker, then Bluetooth modules, watch, Bluetooth toy, also used in toy, smart remote control. Each and every smart TV also cover the Bluetooth, inbuilt Bluetooth facility. Then handset, car kit or car audio, car navigation also use the Bluetooth. This is the protocol architecture for the Bluetooth. So protocol architecture that cover the Bluetooth stack that can be as a communication of multiple application. Specific stack. Bluetooth use the spread spectrum technology at physical layer while using the both direct sequence as well as frequency hopping spread spectrum technology. It use the connectionless ACL, means asynchronous connection link, and connection oriented means synchronous connection oriented link. Bluetooth protocol stack can be divided in 4 basic layers according to their function. So Bluetooth, we all know about the Bluetooth, that is work on 2.4 GHz frequency band modulation, Gaussian frequency, shift keying. First one is a baseband. So what is the functionality of baseband? Frequency hopping spread spectrum, 79 carriers. It uses the CDMA, code division multiple access hopping sequence from the node of the MAC layer or MAC address. It enables the physical RF radio frequency link between the Bluetooth unit forming the piconet. So what is a piconet we will discuss in next slide. This layer means baseband layer use the inquiry and paging procedure to synchronize the transmission with the different Bluetooth device using the SCO as well as ACL link. The different packet can be multiplexed over the same baseband connection. Then audio. This interface directly with the baseband. Its voice connection is over the link manager protocol L64 kbps SCO link. The voice coding scheme is the continuous variable slope delta CVSD. So audio. audio connection is used for the voice as well as voice communication and connection over the link manager protocol. So LMP, link setup and control, authentication and encryption. Link manager protocol, when two Bluetooth devices come with each other in the range, link manager of the either device discover each other device, and if device is found, then peer-to-peer message exchange format is used for transferring the data. The message perform various security function starting from authentication to encryption. It also control the power mode, connection state and duty cycle of Bluetooth device in the Piconet. Then host control interface. So it provides the uniform method for access to the baseband control register and USB, PCI or UART. Then logical link control and adaptation protocol, L2CAP. Higher protocol, multiplexing, packet segment and reassembling, quality of service, this type of service cover into L2CAP, means logical link control and adaptation protocol. This layer is responsible for segmentation of large packet and reassembling of fragmented packet, then it transmit to the higher layer. L2CAP is also responsible for multiplexing Bluetooth packet from different application. Then service discover protocol, SDP. So this protocol is used for locating the service provided by the Bluetooth device. It enables the Bluetooth device to join a Piconet using the SDP. It is a service discovery protocol. The device inquiry what service are available in a Piconet and how to access the service. SDP use the client server model where the server has list of the service defined through the service record. In the Bluetooth device, there is only one SDP server. If a device provide multiple service, one SDP server act on the behalf of all other server. So this is the functionality of service discovery protocol, SDP. Then next one is a telephony control specification. So telephone control specification bin. This define call control signaling for the establishment of speech and data call between Bluetooth device. This type of a functionality cover in telephone control protocol or telephone control specification. It is the bit-oriented protocol. It define all the call control signaling protocol for setup of the speech and data call between the Bluetooth device. It also define mobility management procedure for handling the group Bluetooth TCS, telephone control specification. It use the ITU, T-band and AT command. So it defines the set of AT command by which a mobile phone can be used and controlled as modem for fax and data transfer. Then at last RFCOM. It provides the emulation of serial link up to 60 connection. It is a serial line communication protocol and is based on ETSI. 7.10 specification. The cable replacement protocol, RS-232 control and data signal over the Bluetooth. Also adopted protocol cover in Bluetooth. So this, as the many protocol stack, it use the point-to-point protocol, TCP/IP protocol, OBEX means object exchange protocol, wireless application protocol, web, vCard, calendar, vCalendar. Here look in the figure, vCard, OBEX. Also cover the vCalendar, infrared mobile communication. So PPP Bluetooth, this offer the point-to-point over the RF communication to accomplish point-to-point connection. Point-to-point protocol is the mean taking the IP packet from or to the point-to-point layer and placing them onto the LAN. Then TCP/IP, here we all familiar with the TCP and UDP. So this protocol is used to communicate across the internet. TCP/IP. The TCP/IP stack are used in numerous devices, include the printer, handle the computers and mobile handset. TCP/IP point-to-point is used for the all internet bridge using this scenario, and it use the cable connection. Then what is the functionality of OBEX protocol? Here OBEX is a session protocol that developed by the Infrared Data Association to exchange the object. OBEX provide the functionality of HTTP in much lighter fashion. It defines the folder listing object which can be used to browse the content of the folder on the remote device. Then all the functionality cover for the Bluetooth architecture. So let me discuss the next point, Piconet and Scatternet. So what do you mean by Piconet? So here the figure of Piconet. Two Piconet are connected with each other. Piconet means when more than two Bluetooth devices communicate with one another. This is called the Piconet. So Bluetooth protocol use the concept of master and slave relationship. In the master slave protocol, a device cannot talk as when they are desired. They need to wait till the time of master allow to talk. The master and slave together from the Piconet, up to 7 slave means maximum 7 slave device can be set to the communicate with the master. So it called the master slave relationship. Master slave connection in the Piconet, look in the figure. Several of these Piconet can be linked together to the from larger network in the ad hoc manner. The topology can be through the set of flexible multiple Piconet structure. This network of Piconet is called the Scatternet. So combination of this Piconet, that is called the Scatternet. Look in the figure, the outer line, that is called the Scatternet. Scatternet is nothing but the combination of 2 or more Piconet. The Piconet can contain up to 7 slave, the cluster around the single master, and the device that initialize establishment of the Piconet that become the master. Scatternet's device in one Piconet may exist as a master or slave in another Piconet. It allows many devices to share the same area and make the efficient use of Bluetooth. So this is the functionality of Piconet and Scatternet. This type of a question asked in GTU exam, like 3 marks or 4 marks question. Let me discuss about the Bluetooth security. So what is the security of Bluetooth? Bluetooth offer the security infrastructure starting from authentication, key exchange to the encryption. At lower level of the protocol stack, Bluetooth use the publicly available cipher algorithm. Then its element like authentication, verify, claim identity, encryption, it check the privacy, and key management is also used. Then security algorithm, security authentication key use 128-bit key, it use the unit address, and secret privacy key also use the random number. So at last, not least but not in least, also we cover the application of Bluetooth. So which are the application we mostly use for the file transfer? Then internet bridging, then LAN access, we also use for the LAN access, synchronization, and headset. This type of application cover in Bluetooth. So file transfer, it refers the object transfer or transfer the file between the device. Internet bridging means in this model a codeless modem acts as a modem to the PC and it provides the dial-up network and faxing facility. Then LAN access, multiple data terminal use the LAN, it is the LAN access point as wireless connection to the Ethernet LAN. We also use the synchronization, so synchronization model that enable the device to device synchronization of data. And headset, it is the wireless connected that can act as the audio input output interface of the remote device. So these are the all application of Bluetooth.